Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Ultraviolet by Matt Tressel. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, so in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. These lines in the grid are all both Renban lines and region sum lines. I'm going to go over the rules separately because it's kind of part of the puzzle to think about how they interact. So, Renban lines form a set of non-repeating consecutive digits, but in any order. So, for example, 1, 2, 3 could be placed on this line, but we can place it in any order. So we could go 3, 2, 1 like that. Or we could do 2, 3, 4 in any order. We could go in order, but we don't have to, right? So that is Renban. Region sum lines, what you do is when a region sum line crosses a box boundary, it forms a segment. So this is one segment, and then we cross this box boundary. So this is the next segment. And this is the next segment. So this line has 3 segments. Each segment on the same line has the same sum. So if this were, say, I don't know, 2, 4, that adds to 6. This could be 1, 5, and this could be 5, 1. And these all add to 6. So, and that's it. Remember, the lines are both Renban and region sum. There is a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. So this is a Renban line. But because you can't repeat digits on it, it means it's 6 cells long. It has all of 1 through 6. You can think of it as another region if you'd like to. And so we know it's sum because 1 through 6 sums to 21, and it's split into 3 segments. So each segment sums to 7. So what we're going to end up having is like 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, but not necessarily in that order, just demonstrating. So we can't really mark anything with this, but we should note that. That does mean that we're vertically roped. What do I mean by that? Well, whatever 2 digits go here, we'll call green. Now, where does green go in this box? Well, it can't go here because that would share a column with both greens. Remember, green is representing 2 digits. We don't know which 2. Maybe 1 and 6, maybe 2 and 5, maybe 3 and 4. We don't know which. But they definitely don't repeat in the column, and they don't repeat on the Renban. So they go here. And now where did the green go in this box? Well, they can't repeat in this column or this column, so they go here. And now what I could do is I could color these 2, whatever these 2 digits are, as purple. They have to go here in this box and then here in this box. Then I can color these 2 blue, and these all end up blue by process of elimination. So we end up vertically roped where these 2 digits go here and then here. These digits go here and here. So that might help us in this puzzle. We also know that this digit is the sum of these 2, but they're consecutive. So I think that means they're 1, 2, 3. Because we know 1, 2, 3 works, right? This could be 1, 2 pair, and then this could be a 3. If there were anything else, right? If we wanted to move forward, say 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, we'd be adding 2 to this sum and 1 to this sum, because this is always going to be the biggest digit. And by adding 2 to this and 1 to this, we're no longer equal. So 1, 2, 3 is that's a proof that 1, 2, 3 is the only way that works. That means that this has a 3 in it by roping. So this is a 3, 4 pair. This is a 3, 4 pair. And we know the 4 goes with it because these all add to 7. So with 1, 2, we're going to end up with 5, 6, but we don't know which is which. So I don't think I can do more vertically here. We did put a 3, 4 on this line. This maxes at 6. So this sums to at most 6. So this is at least 3. So this can't exceed 3, but it can't be 3 itself because then it would be 3, 4 adding to 7. So this is the 1, 2, and this is the 5, 6. So these add to at minimum 4, but this can't be a 4. So we're not doing 3, 1. We could do 3, 2 adding to 5. So this is 5 or 6. These 2 add to the same thing, 5 or 6. But this is a Renban. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 long Renban. So if I include the 1, then I have to be 1 through 5. If I include the 6, I have to be 2 through 6. Right, so I can't be 6. And let me explain why, right? If I was 6, then I can't use the 1. So this would be the 2, but then we need to add to 6, so this would be the 4. That works, but then now what do we put here? The 2 digits that remain are the 3 and the 5, and those definitely do not add to 6. So we have to add to 5. Now, how are we adding to 5? We could be 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3, because we don't know. but we know we're 1 through 5, right? So these are the other 1, 4, or 2, 3, for what it's worth. So where does 6 go in this box? Might be a question to ask. I think it's pretty open, actually. We can put a 6 on here. Actually, I don't think we can put a 6 on here, because it would be 6, 5, 4, 3, and these two can't be 5. So this would be 5 plus 6, and then this would have to be 3 plus 4, and those don't add to the same amount. So 6 does not go on here. 6 is in one of these two. What can I do with this? We know 5 doesn't go down here. 5 ends up here, which means it's... we remember these add to 7, so the 2 goes down here with it. So 2 ends up here somewhere. Is it this line here? This is another 1, 2, 3 line. Right. I kind of missed it. So this is 1 plus 2 is 3. That probably helps. It gives us the 4 and the 3. Just have to think about that a little bit. So this is not 3, meaning this isn't 2. What it's worth. So what did this get me? By the way, we do not know if this stack is vertically roped or not. 1, 2 pair. We do need this 4 to go in this box somewhere, so this is definitely a 4. This is not 4, meaning 1 plus 2 goes with 3 or 4. 1 or 2 goes with 3 or 4. 3, 4 pair. This column we need 1, 2, 6. Let's actually write that out. We need 1, 2, 6. This box here, we need a 3 and a 6. I don't think this is going to be 6, because that's what add to 10. The only way to add to 10 and 2 is 6 plus 4, so that's not going to work. Can't repeat digits on our Renban. So this is a 3. Not surprising that this adds to 7. This is 4. We know it adds to 5, so that's 4 and 1, which makes this 3 and 2. 2 goes with 5, 3 goes with 4. This is the 2, 5. This is the 6, 1. This is the 5, 2. This is the 1, 6. This is 1, 6. We know the order from the rows. That's our 6. Nice, this is finishing up. This row finishes with 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. That's 1 and 2. That's our 2. We are not roped vertically here. Okay, so we can just finish this now. Up here, we need a 4 and a 6 that go this way. Down here, we need a 1 and a 5. They go that way. And this last digit is a 3. Nice. We DD2 right at the end. Cool puzzle, Matt. I don't know if the vertical roping was intended. This formation always causes it when you can't repeat. Even just this is enough for it, actually. You don't even need the final one. So seemed like something useful to use. I think it came in handy. Neat puzzle. Interesting thinking about how to make it both a Renban and region sum. It's quite limited, actually. There may have been more insight I could have gotten out of that, but I didn't need to finish the puzzle. So anyway. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how you did. And if you enjoyed it, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.